Today I feel quite accomplished because I have finished a series of paintings that I've been meaning to finalize. If you remember these from previous videos, I have done a series of doodlings. One represented winter, and then I had the spring and the fall, and I was missing the summer. So in this video I'm going to work on the summer doodles, and that way I can have all four of them displayed on my walls if I feel like it. And the biggest challenge for me was to come up with a color combination that would bring everything together, that would also work with the four paintings but also representing summer. And unfortunately, when I started the first painting, I never meant it to be seasonal, so I kind of chose the colors that I would have chosen for summer. But if I had said that the spring one was summer, then I don't know how I would have done the spring one. So make a long story short, this is summer, and I opted for an ochre yellow, Mayan blue, and what is the green that I chose? Green Apatite Genuine. I'll also be using a very yellowish gold, which is the Star Gold by Kramer. I think it works. I think this color combination works. It does bring everything together when I put the four paintings side by side. So in that respect, I kind of like it. However, I'm not sure that the yellow gold works, so you can tell me if it works, but I didn't want to still choose the pale gold that I have used on two of them, because I felt like I would have had, so winter I used a white gold, and then the pale gold on yellow on the fall one and the spring one. So I didn't want to have like three pale gold and just one silver, so I decided the fourth one would be also a different one. So I've got two of the same and then one. I don't know, it's just maybe I'm complicating things, but this is how I decided to choose the Star Gold. I'm not going to be talking much in this video because basically you've seen me doodle before. There's nothing really that I can add that would add value to what you're seeing, so I'm just going to leave you with some music, and I will be back with the parting words. So we're pretty much done here. I just want to remind you that I always put the supplies list in the description of my videos. So if you have any questions on what I have used, you'll find all the information there. You just have to click on show more. It will expand the description and just scroll down until you see supplies list. If you are watching this on a mobile device, the show more is not there. What you're going to click on is a little arrow right underneath the video. It's actually at the bottom right corner, right underneath the window, and that will also expand the description. If I can reflect on this piece, I've noticed that my doodling style is changing. It's different than from the very first piece that I did of the series, and I'm kind of pleased about that because it tells me that my style is slowly emerging. It is changing. It's evolving, and that is due to the fact that I paint or draw almost every day. So it was a good observation for me. It was a good affirmation that I am improving, but also I am coming into a unique style of my own. So that was my little observation about my painting. I love how they all look side by side. I would encourage you to doodle your way through the seasons as well. I know a lot of you are doing some recreations of my doodling, and I really like that. But I would also challenge you to come up with your own doodles. And if you want to do the seasonal ones, that would be so cool. Like, I would love to see it. I would love for you to post your pictures either on Instagram or Facebook, and you can always tag me with doodles with Cece, which is something that we came up with during the last live stream that I did. And I have seen a lot of your recreations of the butterflies. It was so much fun to see the gorgeous paintings that you did, or doodles. So if you want to do the same with this painting, this summer doodles, please be my guest. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I want to say a big thank you, as usual, to my awesome patrons. The family keeps growing, and to me, this is amazing, and it only tells me that during this time that we are all isolated, a lot of you are turning to art to find a little bit of a peace of mind, a little bit of courage, something to distract yourself from all the bad news that we keep hearing. So keep doodling, keep painting, please keep practicing, just stay creative. And I want to thank you all for watching and for commenting and liking, and I will see you soon.